clear. You ready? All right, ladies, it's a bit rough up here. We are about women that share a love of Ford Rangers. Oh, she's a bit deeper. Here we go. Keep your foot on the accelerator. Real clear, ladies. So the goal is to really get women out and learning about their Ford Rangers. I'm now onto my 5th Ford Ranger. I grew up in Kakadu National Park, and as children we used to go out four-wheel driving with our parents all the time. We used to sit in the back of the tray and Dad used to go across all the creek crossings, crocodile-infested creek crossings. It was a fantastic childhood. Our members range from 17 to 70. Nearly 4,500 of us, and everyone just gets along like they've known each other forever.
We have some girls that are getting their first Ranger. They want another female to show them the ropes, being non-judgmental, and there's never a stupid question. You can ask the group something and they're always willing to help.
Here we go, there it is.
We've got police officers, we've got stay-at-home mums, we've got librarians, we've got everything. At the core of it all, we are helpers in community and in the group. There's always a demand, and then we go out to communities that need a clean-up after a flood or they need a drought relief, and we come in with supplies. We've done heaps of stuff, helping families in need.
It's pretty amazing.
Can you twist it?
The people I've met, the things that we've done, just the support. We encourage each other, we empower each other.
And this is just relaxing, chill, having a great time. Friends, food, out in the open, all the birds. It's beautiful.
Switch off time, away from work, away from the city.
Having a Ford Ranger lets me escape and go off-grid and off-road.
On the Barbie.
Right here. So we're really here for a couple of days just going on about how we should keep.
Super comfortable.
It's amazing.
Get a nice breeze.
Yes.
So what advice we could give us?
That's how we get better.
We love the cars.
Some form of hydraulic jack.
That's built into the vehicle?
Yes. So it's easy for anyone to change a tyre.
Is there a vehicle that we don't make that we should?
We need the Bronco in Australia. We'll be the Broncoettes next.
Create your own sisterhood, and I think that's what Jane has done with the Rangerettes.
Give me one word that sums it up for you.
Just one.
Serenity.
Recharging.
This feeling here is heaven. Yeah, it's heaven.
And it's all because of our Ford Rangers. Where'd you get the name Clifford for your car from?
The big red dog.
Oh!